Thomas the Tank Engine is grumbling to the other engines. I spend my time pulling coaches around, ready for you to take out on journeys. The other engines laughed. Why can't I pull passenger trains too? You're too impatient, they said. You'd be sure to leave something behind. Rubbish, said Thomas. I'll show you. One night, he and Henry were alone. Henry was ill. The men worked hard, but he didn't get better. He felt just as bad next morning. Henry usually pulled the first train, and Thomas had to get his coaches ready. If Henry is ill, he thought, perhaps I shall pull his train. Controller came to see what was the matter, and the guard and the station master told him about Henry. Find another engine, he ordered. There's only Thomas, they said. You'll have to do it then, Thomas. Be quick now. Thomas ran out of the front and got down on the coaches ready to start. Don't be impatient, said the driver. Wait till everything is ready. But Thomas was too excited to listen. What happened then, no one knows. Or perhaps the
This is
driver
brilliant.
believed that by mistake.
I love the noises and the smells. Look, Rupert's here. Rupert!
Didn't stop.
Everyone knows his name. Rupert, Rupert the Bear. Everyone come and join.
Henry says it's hard to pull trains, but I think it's easy.
Rupert, Rupert the Bear. Everyone knows his name. Rupert, Rupert the Bear. Everyone come and join in all of his games.
People have never seen me pull a train before. It's nice of them to wave and whistle. It's people,
Rupert the Bear, everyone knows his name. Rupert, Rupert the Bear, everyone come and join.
Rather, he thought, I must stop, but I was going so nicely too. What a nuisance signal dog. He blew an angry peep peep on his whistle. The signalman ran up. Hello, Thomas, he said. What are you doing here? I'm pulling a train, said Thomas. Can't you see? Where are your coaches then? Thomas looked back. Why, bless me, he said, if we haven't left them behind. Yes, said the signalman. You'd better go back quickly and fetch them. Poor Thomas was so sad he nearly cried. Cheer up, said his driver. Let's go back quickly and try again. sad he was and couldn't cross. He was covered with a paint this much.
Rupert, Rupert the Bear, everyone knows his name. Rupert, Rupert the Bear, everyone found the joy in all of his games.
But for a long time afterwards, the other engine flashed at Thomas and said, "Look, there's Thomas who wanted to pull a train but forgot about the coasters."
Goodbye to all our friends, it's sad that we must go. We've had a lovely time today, had some funny laughs today, made some special friends.